Hey everyone, it's Casey Neistat here. You ever hit that wall? You know, that midday slump where your eyelids feel like lead weights and your brain's running on fumes? We've all been there. But what if I told you there are ways to fight back, to reclaim your energy and focus in an instant? Today, we're diving into 5 quick and easy ways to instantly boost your energy and focus. We're talking simple, practical things you can do anywhere, anytime, to shake off that sluggish feeling and get back in the zone. No fancy equipment, no complicated routines, just pure, unadulterated energy hacks. So if you're ready to ditch the drowsiness and embrace a more energized, focused you, buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the power of a simple breathing exercise. Yeah, you heard me right, breathing. We do it all day, every day, but are you doing it right? Deep, conscious breathing can be a game changer when it comes to energy and focus. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes if you can, and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a beat, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this 5 to 10 times, really focusing on the sensation of your breath. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. It calms you down, clears your head, and allows you to refocus on the task at hand. Trust me, this simple practice can make a world of difference. So next time you're feeling drained, ditch the energy drink and give yourself a few minutes of deep breathing. You'll be amazed at how quickly it can revitalize your mind and body. Next up, we're talking hydration. I know you've heard it a million times, but seriously, water is life. Even mild dehydration can zap your energy and leave you feeling foggy-headed. Think of your brain like a plant. It needs water to thrive. When you're dehydrated, your brain cells aren't functioning at their best, leading to fatigue and difficulty concentrating. So, how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're active or in a hot environment. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times and sip on it throughout the day. Trust me, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to keep your energy levels high and your mind sharp. Chapter 3. Get your blood pumping. All right, let's get physical. Sometimes all it takes to shake off that sluggish feeling is a little movement. Taking a quick walk or doing some stretches can get your blood flowing, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your brain and muscles. Step away from your desk, get outside if you can, and take a brisk walk around the block. Feel the fresh air on your face, the sun on your skin. It's amazing how even a short burst of activity can clear your head and boost your energy. Short on time? No problem. Do some simple stretches at your desk. Reach for the sky, twist from side to side, roll your shoulders. It'll get your blood pumping and help you feel more alert. Remember, movement is medicine. So get up, get moving, and feel the energy surge back into your body. Chapter 4. Fuel your focus. We've all been there, that midday slump hits and you're reaching for the sugary snacks. But before you down that candy bar, consider this. A healthy snack can actually provide a more sustained energy boost without the sugar crash. Think about it. Your body needs fuel to function, and that fuel comes from the food you eat. Instead of reaching for empty calories, opt for a snack that will nourish your body and brain. A piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, some Greek yogurt. These are all great options that will give you a quick energy boost and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Remember, food is fuel, choose wisely, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Chapter 5. The Power Nap. All right, this last tip might be my favorite. The power nap. That's right, a short nap, even just 10 to 20 minutes, can work wonders for your energy levels and focus. Think of it like hitting the refresh button on your brain. A quick nap can help improve your alertness, cognitive function, and overall mood. Find a quiet spot, set an alarm, and allow yourself to drift off for a few minutes. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the rest of your day. But remember, the key here is to keep it short and sweet. A nap that's too long can actually leave you feeling more groggy than before. So next time you're feeling drained, give yourself the gift of a power nap. You'll be amazed at how much it can recharge your batteries. There you have it, folks. 5 simple ways to boost your energy and focus instantly. From deep breathing to quick workouts to the power of a good nap, these tips are easy to implement and can make a world of difference in how you feel throughout the day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you live your best, most energized life. Tell me in the comments which one of these you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.